Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys liked my last video. So today will be a maintenance day. I'll be washing my hair and doing the laundry. So for my hair, I'll be using the Renew Everyday Care family with the ingredients aloe vera and herbs. I got it from Checkers. I'll be conditioning my hair with the same brand as well, with the ingredients almond oil and shea butter. So you guys, if you are new here, I probably didn't post this, but 2 years ago in 2022, towards the end of 2022, I bleached my hair from the roots. My hair was bleached. So yeah, so it has grown out, and I've been using T44Z. T44Z is the truth for hair growth, and I've been using this since July. It's the Jamaica and castor oil pure royal. Lulu put me on. This makes your hair thick. So this has given me length and this has given me thickness, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's what we'll be using. And yeah, I'll blow dry my hair, and yeah, I would love to plait my hair, but braiding hair in Cape Town is so expensive, you guys. Like, I just wanted underneath braids. The salon, I got this certain salon, they told me the price would be 350 rand. And you know, in Lusaka for knotless braids you would pay around 600, 700. That's inclusive of length. Here the price for knotless braids is from 950, okay, let me say from 900 rand to 1000 rand. That's crazy.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, and I'm not about to spend a bag on braiding my hair like that. Like, it's not that serious.
Like, it's not that serious. Trust me, I know that.
So yeah, I think for these past months, after my braids are done, because I do my braids in Osaka, and then I come here, you know, I have to take out the braids, and then I just tap into my wig era. So yeah, so from here I'll be wearing wigs, and I believe there are cheaper places. Actually, I know cheaper places that do hair, but it's it's not the distance. It's like I have to really go to CBD. So CBD is Central Business District. It's like town. So yeah, that's what also just makes me like, I don't want to go that far. But for my nails, I would go that far. If I was going to do my nails, I would, like the last time I went to do my hair in CBD, I went to do my nails as well. So from Bandla Nails, she has the best nails. You guys should follow her on Instagram. She does my nails at my she does my nails at my toes. I just woke up.
I just woke up.
So mind your business. So yeah, so if I do my hair, I'd have to do my nails at the same time for me to go to CBD. Anybody got time for that?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Because my toes are still good. So for now, we're just gonna wash this hair and tap into wigs.
Tap in.
And yeah, so let's go do this laundry, and while the laundry is done, I'll be washing my hair. After I'm done washing my hair, we'll go back to the laundry and put the clothes in the dryer, and we'll wait for an hour. Maybe I think I'll eat something. So yeah, so let's begin this day. So guys, this is my laundry. Yeah, so let's get into it. done washing my hair. So the texture of my hair is it's retouched with undergrowth. So yeah, so my laundry is done, so I'm about to put it in the dryer. So while it's in the dryer, I'll come back, blow my hair, put all the necessary oils for the growth and the thickness, and I'm sure once I'm done with my hair, with minutes left, I'll collect my laundry afterwards. Yeah, and then that's gonna be it. So let's go get this laundry and put it in the dryer. Test this. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Okay. Now that's what I'm talking about.
This weather is so cold. My face is dry. I haven't yet put serum or moisturizer because I usually sweat when I'm doing my hair, so I'll do that like afterwards. My hair is a bit wet. It's got dry. I'm so over Cape Town weather. It's so cold. It's raining. That little one day we got of sun was worth it. Back to default settings. I'm not going to give you instructions, you guys. We all know what happens. Hey, it's wet, you blow, put my hair product, and then that's it. Like, it's not that serious. And some time has passed. My laundry will be done soon. It's in the dryer, so let's do this quick. I thought I was recording. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm done. I've blowed out my hair. So yeah. Actually don't feel like, but anyway, let's get it over with. forget your edges. Massage it into the scalp. So let's go with So I'm going to go back with a jar, blow through it once more. So yeah, I'm done. The day I wear a wig is the day I wear a wig. But yeah. Let's see the length. I don't know how to actually see. I just need to know how to braid. Once I learn how to braid my own head, it's lit for everyone. So my laundry will be done in less than 20 minutes. Let's get into the skincare. So I already took a bath when I was washing my hair. So don't assume, please don't assume.
If you go there, I'm gonna go there. So I'm not in the mood.
So I'm going to go in with my vitamin C serum from Garnier. Your neck edges with you. We don't want your neck to edge. And then we're going to go in with our Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Your skin to be hydrated during this dry weather. I don't use a lot because this is how my skin likes it, or else I'll start sweating. You see how I go around my eyes? We don't want wrinkles. And then we go with sunscreen. Yeah, so sunscreen is for dark skin as well. Should be used during the cold weather. Sunscreen should be used every day. So yeah. So I can either spray it on my face or put it on my hands. Just be spontaneous. Or put it on my hands and then rub it in. I love this sunscreen because it doesn't leave a white cast on me. It does a bit, but then you can just rub it out. But you can't see the white cast. I'm using the Every Sun Invisi spray, and then my lips. Yeah. So let's go and get this laundry. I'm sure it's done by now. And one time for the hair. Oh, you're wondering why is my hair leveled? I trim my hair every time I go to the salon. I trim it. Trim your hair. It's important. That also encourages hair growth. So we're done. Let's go back. So you guys, this is the end of the video. This is the end of the vlog, the maintenance day. I've collected my clothes, I've packed them, and yeah, put my hair in a bun. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. I know I'm so loud, my energy is back. What's the time? It's 17:26, and yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.